In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to use an FTP protocol or file transfer in order to upload information to or documents to your WordPress website. You can see here we have Filezilla already logged in, but in order to download Filezilla, if that's something that you don't have, it's a free FTP program. You'll just Google Filezilla. You'll come here, you'll click on download Filezilla client. It'll download it to your computer. You just need to run in through the install process, and then you have Filezilla on your computer like any other program. So from there, you'll launch Filezilla. This window will appear. You'll need to have your FTP information, which is located in your GoDaddy account. You can actually navigate to your GoDaddy account or whichever hosting provider that you're currently using. Within GoDaddy, we explain GoDaddy because that's what we've used in the past tutorials here. You just navigate to your hosting options, and then from your hosting options, you'll just click on the or your hosting plan. You'll click on the FTP user information, and from there, it'll give you your FTP username, FTP password, and that's what you'll enter up in this area. Your host name will be the URL, the root URL that you currently use. For our current one, we're using digitalstrategyguide.com. Our username is right here. We've already entered our password. I just clicked the quick connect button, so we're connected here, and you can see we're already logged in to the folder that we want. Now if we wanted to navigate back and forth between folders, we click this button right here. That would bring us backwards towards our desktop. We're already navigated into the folder that I need to be in. This section right here is my computer. Now when you look over here in this section, you're looking at your files that are stored on your hosting account or on that server. When you look at in here, you'll see all these different file folders, different files. We've obviously uploaded WordPress, and we've gone through other tutorials as far as uploading content. In order to upload the plugins that we want to upload to this website, we're actually going to go to the WP content file, where you can upload various different themes. You can put in your uploads area will be pictures that you've uploaded to the website. In this instance, we're going to go back because we don't want to be in that area. What we're going to want to do is we actually, in this tutorial, want to upload our plugins to the website. So we're just going to click on this button right here. Now, it appears that we have all these currently zipped in the on our desktop. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to uncompress those files. What we'll do is we'll shrink down our pages here, and we'll actually just start uncompressing the files that we want to upload to the site. So these are a whole bunch of different files that we're going to be adding to our website for plugins that we're going to be using on the WordPress. So now that we have those uncompressed, we'll come back in here. We'll have to reload this, and we'll go to our desktop, and now you can see here's all the folders that we had zipped. Here's all the folders that we now have uncompressed, and we're still in the plugins area right here for our WordPress website. What we're going to do is I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to hold down the shift button and click on the last one so I can select all of them. I'm just going to take them, I'll drag and drop them, and what that'll do is that'll start uploading all of these files to the server for our WordPress website. Now you won't have to uncompress these once you get into the WordPress. You will need to go into the WordPress, and you'll have to go to the install plugins button, and then you'll also have to go into activate each plugin. So what we'll do right there is we'll click on our browser. We'll go to our website. We'll go to the back end, and the back end we will just have to go to plugins, and we'll just look at all plugins here. In the background here, we still have the files transferring over, so only one of the plugins, or a couple actually of the plugins, are installed right now. We have this all-in-one SEO pack, Google XML sitemaps. In order to activate those, we'll just click on activate. This all-in-one SEO pack is now activated. You can see up here that with this particular plugin, you will have to go through an admin page setup in order to make it work. Google XML Sitemaps works a little bit the same, where you do have to set it up. So you'll click on activate here, and that'll go ahead and activate the plugins. You can visit our other tutorials on how to actually set up the Google XML Sitemaps and all-in-one SEO pack. And that is how you use FTP to upload plugins. You can upload pictures, videos, any sort of file. You can even upload your site files via this FTP transfer protocol.